चैप्टर नेम है द स्नेक। इसकी हम रीडिंग करेंगे। फार फार अवे इन अ विलेज इन आसाम देयर लिव्ड अ फार्मर हु वॉज वेरी पुअर. He had a wife whose name was Sujata and they had 7 sons. The farmer and his wife worked very hard to support their family. Everybody from morning till evening, the farmer worked in his field and Sujata looked after the home. She swept the house, fetched water from the river, gathered firewood in the jungle, and cooked food for the family. But the 7 sons were the laziest young men ever born in this world. They did not nothing at all to help either their father or their mother. Although the family was so poor, these made their mother very sad and she prayed to God for help. Oh God, give me another son. Sujata prayed, a son who will be of help to us. The people of the village said that her next child would certainly be lucky child. The farmer and his wife felt sure that they would get a son who would be different from the 7 sons they had. But when the next baby was born, alas, it was not ordinary baby at all. It was a long snake. As soon as the snake was born, it crawled out of the house and disappeared into the jungle. Sujata was very sad that a snake had been born to her, and she was even more sad that the snake had run away. She cried and cried for many days because her luck was so bad. One night Sujata had a dream. She dreamed that her snake son was laying on her lap and that he said, "Don't be sad about me, mother. I have been born a snake because of a curse." What curse? She asked him. I was a very rich man, he replied, and he had stored up a lot of gold. I did not give anything to anyone, not even to my mother. She cried for want of food while I had plenty of money hidden away. It was poor because I committed this great sin that I was born as a snake. Now I shall pay for my wickedness by giving every day 1 inch of gold. 1 inch of gold, how? Asked Sujata. Every day, said the snake, I shall come to the house for a cup of milk, and when I have drunk it, you must cut off 1 inch of my tail. I will turn into gold. But it will hurt you, my child, cried Sujata. No, mother, said the snake, it will not do me any harm. The dream was over. The woman got up and looked to see if the snake was in the room, but it was now here. Still, she believed in the dream. She knew it would come true. The next morning, she placed a cup of milk in the floor of her room and waited patiently for the snake to come. Soon the snake came in and drank up all the milk. He then looked at his mother. Sujata knew Sujata knew that the snake was asking her to cut off 1 inch of tail. Her hand trembled as she held the knife, but she remembered her dream. Quickly cut 1 inch of a snake's tail. See, piece. The piece immediately turned into gold. The snake then went away and disappeared into the jungle. From that day on, from that day onwards, the snake went to the house every morning. First he drank the milk and then Sujata cut off an inch of tail. Now the family was no longer poor. They all had enough to eat and good clothes to wear. The seven sons began to enjoy themselves. They began to spend money freely. They spent more and more, and soon they found that the share they received out of 1 inch of gold was not enough for them. We want more money, they said to mother. We get 1 inch of gold every day, Sujata replied. We must make do with what we have. The eldest boy said, I am sure our snake brother would not mind if you were to cut off more than 1 inch of tail. He can understand our difficulties, and I am sure he would be only too willing to help us. No, said Sujata, I could not possibly take in more than 1 inch. But the seven sons not given her any place. They argued with her to take more than 1 inch and then an inch of the snake's tail. And one day Sujata agreed. Perhaps it won't do any harm, she thought. The next day, when the snake came, she gave him milk as usual. Then she took her knife and cut off 2 inches of tail. Immediately, the snake started bleeding, and within a few minutes, he was dead. His mother was greatly shocked and was plunged into deep sorrow. Her seven sons came and found her weeping. They took the 2 inches of tail which had been cut off, but they found it had not turned into gold. Alas, they cried, we have no gold, and the snake is dead. But they too all began to weep.